Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
For smoking cigarettes or chewing tobacco, the bad news is your dentist will absolutely know you consume tobacco products if it's with any regular frequency. These products stain your teeth and can force your gum line to recede in a way that makes it pretty obvious. 21 November 2018.
Take our lead.
If these are used improperly, you could injure the gums, so discuss proper use with your doctor. Our favorite alternative to flossing is the Soft Pick by Butler. These dental picks have a rubbery tip over a plastic pick. They are very easy to clean the spaces in between your teeth.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Smokers are 3 to 6 times more likely to develop gum disease or periodontal disease, which can attack roots and cause teeth to fall out. Even smokeless tobacco products can irritate gum tissue, causing gums to loosen around teeth, making it easier for bacteria to settle in and develop decay. 24 August 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.